How to play music while you're playing Roblox. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial I'll be guiding you through the steps on how you can play music while you are on your Roblox application. So first let's launch your Roblox application by tapping onto the app icon, and once your Roblox application launches you will see an interface like this. Now let's say you're playing a game within the Roblox and you want to play music. So what you can do is, once you have entered Roblox and entered your game as well, you can simply go to the home screen and from there simply open up your music, and from there you can try to play your music and then move back to the Roblox, and you can see that music is still playing within the game as well. Although if this does not work for you, what you can do is simply exit the game and try to hook on to a pair of wired earphones which has dedicated music control buttons. So what it's gonna do is that even if you enter the game and the music stops or it gets automatically paused, you can simply use the built-in controls onto that particular earphones, and once you will play with that, the music won't stop playing, and then you can enjoy a seamless game of Roblox with the music playing in the background. So do try that and let us know in the comment section if that worked for you or not. That was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.